Hello everyone, and thank you guys for tuning back into the channel. So today I'm going to be talking about the trade that I made on NFLX, and if you guys haven't already joined my group chat, feel free to do so because I actually called out this trade on the group chat and some of my members were actually able to profit. So I'm going to go down here into the trade history to show you the trade. You can see that I bought a 370 call on July 1st, which was yesterday. I bought it for $610, and then I sold it for $685. And the cool thing about this trade was that it all happened fairly quickly. If we go into the actual trade, you guys can see that I was filled at 9:46, and then just a couple minutes later at 9:51, I was able to close in profit. And if I would have held on longer, I would have been able to make more money because it continued to rise. But it's like I said like I'm going to say in this video and like all the other past videos I've said, it's always better to secure profits than to get greedy and risk it. So now I'm going to go ahead and hop over onto the chart of NFLX to explain to you guys my thought process on this trade. So here is the NFLX chart, and one thing that helped me analyze this trade even faster was the fact that I was actually trading NFLX a couple days ago. If you guys remember, like 2 videos ago, I actually did a trade on NFLX. So automatically, I already knew that there was no real resistance until the 380 area from the technical analysis that I made in the previous NFLX trade. So that helped me analyze the trade even faster. So if we go ahead and switch from the 6 month into the 5 days and 15 minute chart, we can see that on July 1st, which is right here, it spiked at open because over the weekend we had the G20 news, and a lot of good things happened throughout the G20, which made the market uptrend a lot on July 1st. So NFLX gapped up straight from the open, and it hit a high of almost 377 area. And the first thing that I said to the group chat was that look out, NFLX is on the run, but I'm going to wait for a pullback to happen before I enter the trade because I did not want to chase. And next thing you know, after it kind of starts settling in the high 360, 376 area, it starts pulling down back and retesting the levels at which it opened at. And if we go ahead and switch into the 5 days and 5 minute chart, you guys can see a better picture of it happening. You guys can see this big downtrend happening right after it gapped up from the morning, and the RSI was getting towards the oversold area, and the MACD was overextended also. So that led me to believe that it had a good chance of bouncing off this lower band of the VWAP, which is the yellow orange looking line, and that's exactly what it ended up happening. So you guys can see that after the big red candle, the big sell off, it started to kind of consolidate, and next thing you know, it started bouncing, and it actually retested the highs of the day, which was right around the 375 area. It went through the complete cycle and tested the upper band of the VWAP, and you guys can see I actually ended up taking profits right along after a dollar move because it was really quick. So I was happy with the trade. It was a nice easy $75 and a very easy chart to read. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll be having another trade update video tomorrow because I was able to get another win on AMD, but I want to keep it separate from this video. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one.